I need to make some more coffee. I did this video. I'm not sure if it's gonna be out by the time this video is posted, but I was basically studying like fantasy characters because I think they're a great way to study faces. Because my idea, or the idea I have is, because it's so easy to recognize the shapes in like fantasy types of characters. Think ogres, elves, because a lot of their facial features are like super big or super small. It's gonna help you learn more about the face or designing faces. That's kind of my guess, but yeah. Right now, I feel like I want to use something more concrete. How about this guy? Charcoal? I don't like it. This guy. Can we zoom out? Jesus, mother frick. So we have like a sketch, right? So this guy's a very interesting facial profile. So that's supposed to be the head. The neck is going to be somewhere here. You can't see the neck fully, but we know they've got some hair over here. The mouth is going to be somewhere there. The nose, it's not protruding outward. It's just like, I do have reference here, by the way. So the nose is almost going to blend. Kind of like this. And then the eyes are kind of very small, protrudes out because you have like the eyebrow ridge. And where the brow or eye is, I think it's going to be the eye. That's going to be where the ear is usually going to be. And draw the top part first, right? And then we have this little thing here. What is it, a bone or cartilage? I'm not sure. We're keeping it rough. Again, the idea here is we do a bunch of these like studies so we can get like the vibe. Like through volume of, basically through lots of sketches, so we can like almost download the information. Because I feel like your hand has to know how to draw it first multiple times before you can really understand it. Because if it's all in your head, like theory-wise, it's not gonna transfer to your hand. Like your hand has to know the feeling of drawing. Different kinds of faces, head shapes, stuff like that, to be able to make your own stuff from imagination. It's a pretty big face, but you know what? Let's add a bit of love. Love. Wait, which brush do we ought to use? Should it be this guy? Wait, I'm trying to find like the right brush. I'm so picky, but a light gray. Just two. Oops. In this case, we're not gonna do the whole layer thing where we kind of like in the last episode where we had like a line sketch, and then below that we had the underpainting, and then on top of it we had the paint over layer. So basically three layers for a sketch. Right now we're gonna be more bold, basically one layer for one sketch. And I think it works well for these types of sketches where it's more. And then I'll go to this guy, emphasize those darker parts, the shadow areas. Now we're doing like a more direct kind of paint over. Oh, the nose kind of does that. Interesting. Nice eyelashes. I'm not sure what the artist is, but I've seen this artist work a couple of times on Pinterest. I'm not sure if it's for a project, but I do like it. Like, it's real, it's semi-realistic. I mean, obviously it's not, it's like a fantasy creature, but it feels anatomically real to me. I don't know. Oh, I'm forgetting like the cheek area. This guy's like stronger cheekbones, kind of like that. Oh my god. Wait, can you see it? Yeah, I think you can. Bring this dark thing back. Yeah. Right? This kind of charcoal look it's giving fuck. Like, I enjoy it. Especially if you're the impressionistic type, I do recommend this kind of way of painting. Number one, you don't have to be that detailed. You can be a bit more loose. And like, that's the appeal. You get to be very loose with it. Right? And brushy. Some highlights. Right, oh. A bit of like the top lip maybe. Oh. Dumbass! So hot. Dude, that is so fucking cool. Wait, let me check my time. Dude, that's almost like a less than a 10-minute sketch. Less than a 10-minute sketch. Okay. I think we can stop the video here. Fuck me. You know what? We can try erasing this part and then that should be here. Or did that ruin it? I feel like it adds appeal when I do it this way. And that's a good sketch. Wait, should I make this into one video? You know what? Shorter videos are better, right? Cope. So I'm gonna end it. I'm gonna end it here, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye. Wait, is it centered? There you go. I'm just checking my camera. Let me just flip it. He's so hot.